All right, I am back, and this is nice and hot. So I'm carefully, because I do not want to burn this. It is on the lowest, which is 180. Goes up to 500. I'm just going to take some strands at a time. I hope you guys can see it. Even though I have this on special tripod, it's still hard to do work and make sure that I'm remembering to look and make sure that you guys see what I'm doing. It's just a regular hair straightener. It's my hair straightener that I use in myself. But I just kind of want to, I already defuzzed her. I just want to get her here just right before I style it. I'm not doing anything fun. Oh, my dog, I think, is going to bark in a second. She just got up and ran to the window. She thinks that she owns the whole block, the whole neighborhood. So anytime she hears someone walk by, or or just anybody's outside talking or whatever, or anybody just like pulls up randomly and just, you know, pulls up in front of my house, not even for us, she has to check it out. So she just ran over. She hasn't barked, so just doing section at a time like you would do with your own hair. I'm actually wondering if I do turn it up a little bit. Because I feel like it's not that warm. And I'm doing it quickly, so I'm not gonna like linger on it. So let me just kind of, I'm gonna do it in sections. So this could take a while, so I'm only gonna just kind of start it off. I just kind of could smooth it out. Smooth out the hair so that it will, our hair will be good for when I need to style it. Get some of these hairs down here. Yeah, I think this is a much better temperature. I have it, I think, at 350. It goes up to 500. We don't need 500. But this is also helping just getting, you know, like I defuzzed her already. Just getting her hair ready so that I can, again, I'm not going to do anything crazy with the styling. Ponies or 2 ponies or 2 braids. And then I will dress her and make her into a fun character. While most of my characters are something that all Gen Xers can relate to, this particular girl I am doing just for me. And you'll see when I post the final video on here, and also when I post it in the playlist of Guess the Theme. You'll see why it's not going to be relevant to every Gen Xer. I'm sure there will be people that it is relevant to, but it's more of a me thing. And that will, I know I'm sounding mysterious, that will make sense when she's done. And you guys don't have to watch this all because it's going to take a while for me to go through and do all her hair. And then just so you know, to make the ponies, I just bought a whole bunch of these teeny little clear elastics on Amazon. And I'll just use that to style her hair. And when I mess up, which I do a lot, it's just easy to slip a little blade in there and just cut that elastic and take it right out. So, see you soon.